Okay, so as is becoming very common, you see a CIVIVI. New, but it's already open. So, I don't know. I guess you can't get an unopened new CIVIVI anymore. Unless you buy it from the CIVIVI website. Maybe. Wow, much bigger than I thought. Standard CIVIVI stuff in there. Instructions, some swag, and a cloth. What do we have? This is the Elementum Button Lock. So it is way much a lot of bigger than I thought it was. Because the Elementum and the Elementum 2 button are probably about that big, roughly, in comparison. The clip is a heavy, and it is not inset, and the screws are recessed. It is ambidextrous, so you can set it up for left or right hand. Micarta handles. This is Button Lock Elementum C2103C, dark green micarta handles, black SS liner, gray stonewashed 14C28N blade. Now, if you'll notice, there's no flipper anywhere. It won't open. Maybe this is how the Vision R should have been, because it'll turn all over the place in your pocket. So if you couldn't open it without pushing a button, which is what this is, then it would be better off for you. But this right here, of course, is a button, Elementum button. And so that being the case, it is locked when closed, and it is locked when open, and it is operated by the button only. The backspacer slash whatever you want to call it, because it also extends down to the butt of the knife, is micarta as well, which is a pretty cool thing as far as I'm concerned. You have a blade stop here and a blade stop down here that stops just at the back side of the blade, looks like. And of course your button is in here to release the blade. Looks like it is, well, it said it was steel liners, and it's got micarta scales. Looks like T8 hardware all the way around, except for T6 in the pocket clip. Doesn't feel bad in the hand at all, and of course it fills the hand up. I'll give you an idea in comparison. This is the Ozark Trail, the $10 bug out, and here's the new Ozark Trail. And it's just nah, we'll leave that alone. So the only way to open this is to push the button. Now the button here, I can tell you, is proud of the surface. It is a recess or cutout in the hole that the button's in. So we'll see how well it activates here in just a second. These scales, although they are micarta, there's not a whole lot of grip. I mean, it does feel semi-smooth. It's not bad. So let's open it. Seems to open just fine. This is a super big brother. You know what? This would be perfect if it was just like the Elementum 2, only this size. So let's push it all the way down and see if we have any catching. I can't really push it anymore. And as expected with CIVIVI, it's good to go. It is on ceramic bearings. Let's see. So it's not hard to get out there, and the blade has enough size. Now, this is the first time I've ever held a Elementum button, and the blade's timing seems to be perfectly fine. And it's not, you don't have to try to think about pushing it hard. Something's, I don't know, let me see. That's not loose. I don't know what's bouncing. I honestly don't. I don't know. I wonder if maybe the bearings is just making some noise in there somehow or another. I don't really get it. I don't know if you can hear that, but something's rattling. But I mean, everything seems to be working just fine. I mean, doesn't seem to be any issues whatsoever. To be okay, so there's no spring in there. So the way the button is actually working is it is kind of like the button is on a liner lock, and that's the spring that the button uses to engage or disengage. So yeah, the only thing left is the bearings. I mean, it has to be the bearings that is that's doing the rattling. So blade. I mean, it's really not any movement up or down or side to side. So I don't know. So you're not going to be Spidey flicking this one. So you don't really have a finger chole. You could probably use that for one, but I wouldn't. Wouldn't recommend it at all. You do have gimping up here for your thumb, and I can actually reach part of it even though I'm behind the guard here, and it's not that bad. I don't feel like I'm stretching really hard. $14C 28N. So I don't know. I'm really digging this. The only negative I see to it, really, pocket clips heavy. The only negative I see to it is you have to use that button to get it open and closed. And I am really, as usual, not feeling anything, no burr, and that that blade edge is super shiny. And it is definitely hair cutting sharp. It's a hollow grind. I'm not really crazy about hollow grinds, but that's okay. I mean, it has its perfect purpose. Uh, so I'm really kind of liking this knife. I seriously am. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. It is much, much, much bigger than I expected. The blade is, it's like 3 5/8 inches. 2, 3. Yeah, I'd say the length of the blade is 3 5/8 inches. The cutting length is 3 1/4. So you got quite a bit of blade there to do stuff with, slice, dice, and everything else. It's very pokey. You've got a taper on the drop point at the front. Yeah, I mean, I'm in my words, it's a jugger. It's going to do some jugging, and it's going to do some slicing too. I mean, it's it's a pretty cool blade. I think it's nice. I wasn't expecting to really like it a lot because in my mind, in all honesty, I was seeing a CIVIVI button lock that you could only open and close with the button. And so that's what a CIVIVI Elementum button lock that you could only close and open with the button. I wasn't expecting, a sword that you could only close and open with the button. So that's a pretty nice blade. I mean, that blade right there is what's making me like this knife even more and more. I had my doubts about it, my concerns, just wondering. But I got no problems with it. I really like it. I'm really getting into it. I think it's good. So that's pretty much what I got for you to at the moment for today or however it works out. I'd appreciate it if you like this content, that you would like and subscribe, but most importantly, comment below. Tell me what you use this knife for if you've got one, and what you thought about it when you first opened it up, because I am super surprised at the size of the knife. Uh, and of course, I'm not surprised by the fit and finish or the function. It's exactly what I expect from CIVIVI. So I'm not at all surprised. The stonewash is awesome. I like it. As with always, everything about the CIVIVI knives has always hit me as quality. That's why I've been getting so many of them. I like that micarta. And with the gray look, I may take and see about staining these red. Uh, that's my favorite color. Blade centering is perfection. Uh, so awesome. I like it. So anyway, like I said, if you enjoy this content, like and subscribe, comment below. Let's talk about all this. And I'm going to see you on the next one. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.